Hey!
What?
You guys look thirsty!
I'm thirsty too!
How to be metal on Instagram.
Jesus is the sweetest name.
Gotta fucking.
Hello, and how the fuck are all you people doing tonight? It's fucking storming like a son of a bitch, and I'm your weather host, Mr. Hoover. Don't forget to listen to metal and drink lots of beer.
My next few days are gonna suck. Triple threat! Threat 1, threat 2, 3.
Don't text about it, be about it.
Mommy!
Cheers.
Oh my god. Make the brain stop. I think I'm gonna die. Oh fuck! I shouldn't have done that. It's not making anything better. It just turns everything fucking yellow. So much better. That motherfucker's a train. Oh.
Manza eater, so best damn apple soda there is. Yummy.
Finally, after a full week, I gotta sit on my ass and drink beer. At least I'm not.
Work.
Oh, fuck this shit! Fucking son of a bitch!
I'm not even supposed to be.
Fuck the shit! I'll quit!
Hello, my son.
Yo, mama.
Oh my god.
What's up? I'm Batman. I'm not your son. I brought some dirty laundry to do.
Yay. Welcome to Costco. I love you.
Hey, how you doing?
I got all in the Rambo spirit, made me a little fucking torch and shit, but apparently the fucking water thing is too freaking good, but check it out. Yeah, so my mom said don't do anything to get myself in trouble. As tempting as that seems, I think I'm gonna have to pass on that. I believe I've just came up with the world's greatest drinking game. Drink every time Matthew McConaughey's mouth is open.
Last harvest for okra.
I can fucking survive the goddamn apocalypse. I don't give a fuck what anybody think. I can do it. I can do it. Woo! Oh, you know, just another lazy day on the lazy river with my trusted steed Dino, the fucking Loch Ness monster.
And that's my flat.
And this is the free one.
She's a fucking
This rise of misplaced power.
This shit for the superhero.